What's up, guys? Welcome to the next episode. What we're gonna be working on today are a couple different things than what we planned. Originally, I wanted to do the OVA exhaust. We're not gonna be able to do that right this second.
Grr, I'm so angry. I'm just gonna crumple this piece of paper up because I'm so angry I'm not getting this exhaust done. Oh, man.
We got invited to a really big car show at Kennywood Park on April 24th. So we wanna go. So we're gonna go. So we're gonna get this thing finished up, get it going. So we're gonna postpone that exhaust and put my old exhaust back on and just modify it to fit the new headers. So that's what we're gonna do. We're also gonna get the battery relocation done, and I got my new racing seat to install. We gotta make the brackets for that. We already did a bunch. We already finished the rad brackets. We gotta get that finished up and did a bunch of maintenance, getting it ready to go. So yeah, let's get it. We're gonna get these couple things finished up. All right, real question. Who watches The Office while working on their car? Because I sure do. Anyway, exhaust is on. Got the battery out. Got the trunk gutted. Trying to figure out the design for the battery tray and the mount. I'm trying to do it without, I don't know, without cutting into the car. If I do, I do, but I just don't want to. So we'll see what happens. I think I'm gonna go off these studs. Do like a bracket off of these studs, flat, and then have it to where it mounts to that. That's my idea. We're gonna see if it works out, because it's gotta be safe and secure. I do not ever wanna have an issue with that. In case if anyone is ever curious, I actually took this out of a BMW, an E46. It's actually a fusible link. And I actually took the wires and everything, and all factory, and honestly, looks legit, works perfectly. So if you guys are ever doing a battery relocation, go steal that out of an E46. Even if you use your own wire, that fusible link with the box is really nice. It has a cover. Yeah, I would definitely use it again. Plan to. All right, so we got that in. It's cooling. Once it cools down, I'm gonna scuff it up and then paint it. So we're good there. Next, we got my driver's seat out, because remember, we're changing up the seat. Hands down for a street car, this is a really, really comfortable seat. I had to carry it like from the whole back of my parking lot. because it was in my FRS. And this thing's heavy. Well, the brackets are heavy. The seat's really not that heavy, but the brackets are really heavy. But I got Sparko out. I plan on keeping this in this car, but it's ripped. And my wife needs to reupholster it. And I don't know if she's gonna have it done in time. So for now, we're just gonna go there. So anyway, here is my bracket tree. I didn't build this. I bought the seat and bracket. So don't judge me on this. But it does work really well, and it's power, so I can't argue there. I'm going to try, I want to keep this on here so I don't lose that when I go back to that seat. So I have some square stock that I'm going to get that bracket out, and I'm going to work on making it. So let's get doing it. All right, so got these welded in. I had to egg these out a little bit more to fit the washers in, but other than that, it all fit perfectly fine. Got this stuff, it was just zip tied in, so it's zip tied back. Yeah, I just gotta mount the seat belts and we can put it in. All right, got the seat in. Still gotta put the seat brackets in, or this, not seat brackets, seat belts. But I can get to the seat belts. Man, does that look good in there. I'm so pumped. So comfortable too. Oh, got this all painted. It's just about dry. I'm gonna start drilling, I'm gonna cut the holes in that and get it laid down and get all the plastics back together and stuff. And I'm waiting for that plastic, that bracket to dry. I get the battery in. And then, I don't really know what's left. I gotta put the few relays back in for the rad fans, and I need to start detailing this car. It is dirty. So I need to start with washing it, and then we're gonna cut and buff it, because I've never done that to this car. Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
Is the car clean? Is the car clean?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we got the car cleaned up. First wash of 2022. Look at it. Actually, it's still disgusting. The water just makes it look shiny. Battery is done.
Yeah,
Seat is done. Is the battery done?
Yeah, it is, guys.
Is the seat done?
Yeah.
Is the exhaust done?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, we got that done. Plug the coolant. Hook the rad fans up. We got a good bit done today. The, where is the hood latch?
I don't know.
Oh. Car got a little wet. No biggie. But yeah, it's just about done.
Yeah,
I gotta get the bumper finished next. Bumper alignment, some touch-up work. We're gonna buff the whole car.
Yeah.
Detail the interior.
It's good, guys. I love you guys.
She's just excited. I'm excited. See you on the next one.